Hello everyone, welcome to Peacock Way, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing Mother's Day card. Mother's Day is coming soon. This is the base card A2 size, and I have already did this die cut, and I'm trying to color and finish it off. And I'll be using also the die cut leftover paper as a stencil. I'm going to use it for layers, and then I'm going to color now the base of the flower and finish it off. Let's get started. I'm using this Neocolor crayons. I love Neocolor crayons, and you can see in my videos I use that a lot. So I'm just going to finish the coloring. If you are new to my channel or you're first time visiting my channel, please subscribe, click on the bell button and make sure the notification is on so you can get my new videos as I post it. So now I am using this washi tape, and I'm going to tear it half. And then I'm going to stick on the mixed media paper. Now I'm going to color the background for the area, and I'm using the same Neocolor crayons. I'm spraying some water and also coloring it. Now I'm using this leftover die cut paper and use it as a stencil. I'm using my brush and coloring it because I didn't want it to be too dark. I'm going to be putting it in layers, so I'm making it very light background layer first. I'm going to dry it and then go for the next layer. And this time I'm using distress ink. And also I'm using different stamps for the background. going to peel the washi tape out. Now that looks very pretty, and I'm going to adhere it on the base card. And before I do that, I have to dry everything, and then I'm going to adhere it. Now I'm going to place it in C, and then I will use the double-sided foam tape to adhere it on the card. I'm going to cut the excess. Now for the sentiment, I'm using the archival ink. So I'm using sequins to finish it. I hope you enjoyed watching my videos. If you like it, please subscribe, click on the bell button, and make sure you turn on the notification. It will encourage a lot of other artists. Please make sure that you subscribe. So I will see you in my next video with the new ideas and new projects. Have a nice day. Thanks. Bye.